Hey AP PreCal, welcome back. We are looking at binomial expansion. I think I'm going to do the two problems that really are AP material and then do a second video with the ones that are an extension. I think that's super fun. I think you can handle it, but these are more from what I've seen in IB and less PreCal. Okay, so on this one, when they tell me to expand this x minus 5 to the fourth power, I remember that when I raise something to the fourth power, I have my coefficients of 1, 4, 6, 4, 1, which came from Pascal's triangle. And then notice the exponents on A, they start at 4, 4, 3, and then go down, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. There are no A's right here. The B values do the opposite. The B values start at 0 and work their way up. So there's 0 B's here, there's 1 B here, 2, 3, 4 right there. Notice that in any one term, the exponents will add to whatever the power was. So it added to 4, 3 plus 1 is 4, 2 plus 2 is 4, 1 plus 3 is 4, and 4 is 4. Okay? So what I might do when I'm walking in fresh to this problem, I might say, well, let's write out part of Pascal's triangle. Okay, there's the row that I care about. I'm going to write that out. 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. Space things out. The next thing I care about is that my x, I have x on all of these. And what happens to their power? Well, it starts at the top, and it goes down. Okay? And then I have a negative 5. If you hang on to the negative, then you don't have to even think about the signs. Everything will take care of itself. Oh, I did not give myself enough space again. Okay. Let's put plus signs everywhere here so that we can see where our terms are. And the exponents on the 5, they start at 0, and they work their way up. Okay, then we just have to clean it up. This is anything to the 0 power is 1 times 1 is still 1. This is x to the fourth. This is negative 5 times 4 is a negative 20, x to the third. I have a negative 5 squared, so now it's a positive 25. 25 times 6, I think in terms of money. If I have 6 quarters, I have $1.50, and it's positive. Here, I know that 5 cubed is 125, times 4 is 500, but it's negative, because there were 3 negatives here. So negative times negative times negative stays negative. So it's minus, what did I just say? 125 times 4 is 500. If I'm wrong, I'm sorry. Okay, and then 5 to the fourth, I think I'm right, but 5 to the fourth is 625, and it's positive, and there are no more x's there. And we have expanded that term, or expanded that, we have expanded this binomial raised to a power to become a polynomial. Isn't that lovely? Okay, so now let's find the fifth term. On this one, this is ridiculous. We do not have time to raise this to the 15th power. Okay, so, or to write out, I don't know the 15th row of Pascal's triangle. I know it starts with 1, and then it has 15, and then I don't know the rest of it, and I don't really care. But I also know that the first term is going to be, I'm going to use this, 15 choose 0 would be the coefficient of the first term. 15 choose 1 is the second. 15 choose 2, right? Is that how I did it before for you? Yes, it sure is. Okay, 15 choose 3. 15 choose 4 is so here's the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the fifth term. So this is the combination that I want to use. So I have this 15 choose 4. But then I also have an x value. Well, now the x value, remember, was raised to the first one was the 15th. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. And then this one is 2 to the, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And rather than count that every time, these two numbers always match. It doesn't have to be that way because 15, if you notice, if I do 15 choose 4, that is equivalent to 15 choose 11. Okay, but for the sake of consistency, what I always do, I could make this 15, 11 or 4, and I'm fine. I just make these the same, and these two add up to 15, okay? Obviously, you don't have to do good math to a good answer, and we'll call that good. Okay, so this, what needs to be cleaned up, this, my calculator told me it was 1365, and this is times x to the 11th, and then 2 to the fourth is 2, 4, 8, 16, and that's 16. So now let's come back over here. I had it in my calculator from before. Let's multiply that times 16, and 21, 840 x to the 11th is the fifth term of that. Yes, I'm going to make a third video, but if you definitely stick around for it, it's worth your time. Good luck.